Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with a QR code using the Wise app. First, open the Wise app and log in. Make sure your app is updated for the best experience. Updates help with security and smooth performance. Go to the Cards tab. Here you'll see an option called Pay with QR code. Tap that. Tap Scan QR code. Your phone's camera will open. Point it at the merchant's QR code. If you have a QR code in your gallery or screenshots, you can upload it too. Scan and review. The app will automatically detect the QR code and show the payment details. Take a second to make sure everything's look right. Choose your currency. Pick the balance you want to use. One of the best things about Wise is you can pay in multiple currencies. Authorize the payment. Depending on your phone settings, confirm using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Check your transaction history. This helps confirm that your payment went through and lets you keep track of your spending. And that's it. That's how to pay with a QR code using Wise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.